Hi guys, welcome back on TechCade. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to block YouTube channels. First of all, you can open the YouTube application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the channel that you want to block. I can block this channel. So now I can tap on this. After opening the channel, you can just simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and now you can see the second option, that is hide user from my channel. Tap on it, and after hide user from your channel, the other user is not seeing any of your video or anything that you upload on YouTube, and it is the way you can block YouTube channels. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.